Hey everybody, so I just wanted to make a quick video about a weather phenomena that I saw this morning when I was checking the weather. This is the northern edge of the Alps in Bavaria, and today it is July 5th. So this morning at about 8, I was looking at a webcam that looks to the northwest to just get a picture of what the weather was doing in that area. And I noticed a interesting cloud. So this picture right here is immediately before the cloud appears, and this is 8 a.m. If I scroll forward to 8:10, you can see it right here in the corner. Doesn't look like much, but just watch what happens. I made a little movie with a time lapse, so here it is. So here comes the cloud, and boom. This is a webcam looking to the northeast, so this is looking away from about 90 degrees from the direction we were looking before, and you can see it go over. So I believe that what I saw is called an Arcus cloud, and specifically a soliton roll cloud. And the greater weather picture, we're about here. This morning there was a cold front approaching, and if you look at the weather radar, this is 7 a.m. There was already a couple of lines of thunderstorms off to the west, and the location of the camera is just approximately right here on the map. And if you just watch the weather radar here, you can actually see right here this wave starting to form, and you can see it very clearly right here, propagating just before 9 o'clock, about 8:30, 8:45, depending on where you were. So let me just scroll back. So 8:11. Don't really see anything on the radar there, but then on the next image here at 8:24, you see this wave, and you can see it really well here at just before 9, and then it dissipates. So here it is again. Here's 7:26, and you see it propagating out from that storm. And what's interesting is if you look at the storm here at 7, it's actually a lot stronger, and as it starts to dissipate is when it releases this wave. And also what's interesting is the wave is traveling much faster than the radar returns of the storm itself. So there's some weather stations. The camera is up here on this first kind of ridge, and there's some weather stations. I found this one right here, and if you look right now, there's actually the cold front just came through over the weather station, so you see a huge drop in temperature. But earlier in the day, right around 8, just before 9 o'clock here, about 8:45, you see this step change in the pressure from lower to higher, and there's also a change in the wind speed and direction, and actually a rise in the temperature, oddly enough. Although that may be just from heating, and maybe there was just a small drop right here as the wave went through, and then it resumed heating again in the sun. So, but you can definitely see this big step change in the pressure. So here's the movie again. I just thought that was a pretty interesting thing to see. And now we're looking to the northeast rather than the northwest. Okay, there you go. Fly safe, everybody.